I started vlogging in 2003, before YouTube even existed. It is with heart wide open that I share with you my journey that has taken me from South Korea to now living off-grid in the middle of nowhere.
I'm going to check if the moose were there again last night. We had a little snow this morning, so I'll see if there are fresh tracks or not. Fresh tracks from today. Let's see if I can find more evidence. There. And I don't think they came to eat the block. Let's see if I can find beds. The wind is like not good because it's going in the forest. But yeah, that's from this morning. There's deer tracks too. That's deer tracks. Big deer, that's deer track right there. So I'm just following. They might be in the meadow, in the small meadow. That's me. That's the same area we saw the little cats the other day. See, this is deer. Okay, that's all deer tracks. If I'm lucky, they're gonna be in there and we can see them, the deer or the moose. They come here. They've been here many times. That's not up to my knees. It's good that these boots have a wire at the top. Oh yeah, the sun. That's so nice. I didn't think we were gonna have sun today. So good. So beautiful. Wow. The energy of the sun fills me up. Wow. I'm gonna enjoy sitting in the excavator. I should be able to get to the top of the hill today. And with the sun, the view will be like, yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. So that little line in the middle, that will like come down in the summer when the trees lose their needles and the snow melts and everything will compact. Oh yeah, that'll be nice. I've got a problem. Look at that. The pin is out. How did it get out? No idea. Fuck. Let's see if I can push it back in. I think I need to go back home. I think with a mallet. Better do that though before it gets cold. Okay, I'm gonna let the camera. I have to drive home. Hopefully it doesn't fully come out while driving. Fuck. Alright, I was able to put it back in, the whole pin, because it's the pin that holds the bucket to the arm as well. And I know now what broke is a bolt broke. I probably can fix that myself, but I have to go back. I cannot continue, because if that pin comes out, I'm gonna fucking have a hard time. Like it's not gonna be fun. So better go back home now, and if I get it fixed, hopefully I can come back tomorrow. And I'm almost there. I'm almost at the top. Like the trees there, I will break that next time I'm here. So I have a really nice view. This is getting high here. This because anyway, always something. Always something. I could tell something was like going on, but anyway, I caught it on time. That's good. This is working really good. So I ordered from Amazon a battery charger that I'm going to disconnect the generator from the inverter, and I'm going to connect that charger to the generator and charge the batteries without the inverter. So the inverter will always be in it'll never go in bypass mode, so it will always supply the electricity of the house. The generator will always just charge the batteries, and I think that will give me a better outcome than right now. And what I figured out yesterday, and I've been shopping on Amazon, and I saw like an inverter on Amazon for, it's an inverter charger, but 5,000 watt, and I'm looking at it, and I found the same inverter on Alibaba, directly from China, and it's way cheaper. It was like half price if you take into account the shipping and all that. So it's still half price from Amazon. Not bad, but you don't get the Amazon peace of mind. You know how the customer service, like when you buy from Amazon, you know you're in good hand, because they want to keep you, and if you have a problem with your stuff, they're really helpful. So but that led me to discover that Alibaba has kits, solar system kits, like the solar panels, the wires between the solar panels, the the solar rack, either for roof or for the ground, the inverter, the batteries, and the solar charge controller, all that in a kit. And like a 5,000 watt. So let's say our system, we have 3,200 watts of solar panel. For a 5,000 watt system, so 5,000 watts of solar panel, a 5,000 watt inverter, and maybe 80 amp solar charge controller and 10,000 kilowatt hour batteries, so 48 volts batteries. It's like not that expensive. It's like well below 5,000 Canadian, including the shipping. So that's what we might do. But the only thing that these kits don't include is the wire between the solar panels and your system. So that is expensive. I think it's like a little bit over $1,000 for where we want to put the solar panel, because we have like 130 some feet from here to carry the electricity of the panels. And the kits, I think, are cheaper because everything comes together. You get a better price than if you buy individual parts. But let's say we were to buy 5,000 watt worth of bifacial solar panels, which is about 12, I'd say, at 400 watt. We would be about $1,500 Canadian. So I'm still like in the shopping mode and calculating and seeing what we were going to do. But now it's a possibility that we just keep this as a backup system and we add a completely new system. Maybe I set that one for the shop or something like that. I'm not sure how we're gonna do this, but I'm still thinking about all that. Now today, my lovely wife and I, we're gonna we have to do some maintenance on the excavator that I'm gonna need her help with. And then what else? Oh, the chainsaw. You want to learn how to do the chainsaw now that you've got your pants, right? So you want to do that now?
You can go there first. I have to empty it. I have to wait.
Maybe that's what's next. Who knows? So, to have wood for Divine to practice her chainsaw operation, we're gonna need to go get a log that is already pre-cut, maybe in that way. So we'll need the excavator. So I'm gonna see if it starts now. Oh, I need the key. So it might need to be plugged. It's a little bit colder today. Not much, but it's just enough to now it's annoying. You know, up until today it was cold, but I didn't feel annoyed by the cold. But today it's just cold enough that it's annoying. Okay, didn't need to plug it, but it was at the limit. So you see these, that's what was coming out. So I put the new one. It's a bit longer. I don't really need a nut because there's threads in that hole, but I needed a lot of washer because that bolt is a little bit longer. And if you look here, you see the space, right, in between. So I shouldn't have that space, according to my friend Gary, who owns 2 excavators. So he said that I could put spacers there. So I'm gonna look into what spacers do, and to make sure the pin takes the oil where Divine's gonna move it while I add the grease, not the oil, the grease. Anyway, and I had to bang this up because this pipe was out of this. I think it came like that to us. So I fixed that. Yeah, it's not, you know, I already know a lot more about excavators than I did when I got this one. So there's a lot of things that I could have seen and negotiate when we bought the excavator, you know, that I could have told them to look after before I took possession. I could say next time, but I don't know if there's gonna be a next time. I think this is gonna be the excavator for all of times. Anyway, okay, we're gonna let that warm up. Okay. Hi, you guys. Oh yeah. What's going on? You all good here? Yes. Alright, I'm gonna clean up your so I have to take that hay that's here. To minimize the wastage. All right, this looks good in here. It's not too bad. Benny, yeah. Okay. Let's see what's next. All right, listen to this. When I stop rotating, there's like a noise, so I'm gonna just keep rotating. Maybe it warms it up. I'm unscrewing myself. All right, I'm getting dizzy. You see that noise? I don't think that's good. You see, you hear that noise. Hi. What are you doing? You want to play? Are you crazy? So Divine has her tasks. She has to pick up the two smaller ones, and she's gonna bring them towards the woodshed. That's where we're gonna do the chainsaw. What? What? He's so playful. It's taking too long. I have to go inside the shop, see how the fireplace is doing. Make sure we don't burn anything that we don't want to burn. I'll let her do her thing. Shit. As long as she doesn't hit the fence, it's all good. Oh, Miley, you're here. Oh yeah, it's warmer here already. I'm gonna... Divine likes it dark. I don't know. Okay, can't touch the stove bare hand because it's too hot. But I'm gonna add wood. Always gonna get. You can see the temperature rise in the chimney really quickly. Got it blowing really hot, like past 700, and I saw a spark come out from here, and I saw one from up there, and this is like the sealant I had put there last year. It like dried and cracked, so but when it's like there, it's fine, it's doing good, there's no danger. I tapped the chimney with the hammer to make sure all the creosote fell down and burnt, so there shouldn't be any creosote at 700. It burns. Like I could hear the fire was raging in the chimney, but now it's like perfect. It's sustainable. Let's see what it looks like inside here. Oh yeah, there's a lot of wood. And now, because the door is open, more air is flowing, and you can hear that it's like a vortex in the chimney. So it raises the temperature. So like this, just a little crack here. That's pretty good. Let's see. Is she done all three? If she's done, we'll do the... No, she has another set over there. My love! She's forgetting to... Yeah, she got it. Hey! Stop! 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 Practice turning like I showed you.
Yeah, I did there.
But you have to do it here too.
It's better.
But it breaks the machine. That's what Robert said. We're gonna have to buy new tracks.
Really?
2,000, 2,500. We don't want that. But when you drive, click the blade so that it floats behind you. Except when you drive over the wire. Did you break it? You see the electric wire?
I know, I understand.
But look,
it's always up to go there.
Why is the wire disconnected?
I don't know, but it's up like this.
Yeah, but my love, it's your responsibility when you drive to make sure nothing breaks outside. That line now, it might be broken. It's definitely disconnected. I'm gonna wait until she's done before reconnecting it. That gives the light and to the chicken and the heater for their water. Okay, now lay it down. When you drive, put the blade in float.
Why?
So that you
Is that not floating?
push it,
But
babe.
it looks like it's floating.
There's no it looks. You push it until it clicks. Now it's floating.
Yeah, but it looks the same.
No, it doesn't. Don't waste time arguing. We're gonna do the grease to make sure it goes in. So what my friend Gary, who has those two excavators, said is while Divine moves the bucket around that pin, I try to grease it. So hopefully Divine doesn't do a false maneuver and hit me. but she should now. I think she's getting more experienced. Okay, I'm gonna explain it to her what I want.
What are you doing?
Okay, so I'm gonna try to grease right now where the bucket and the thumb meet. So when I signal you, I want you to move the bucket. So you're gonna go left and right, and you're gonna move the thumb at the same time. But you don't touch this one, and you don't go up and down, and you don't touch this. Okay? Because you could hurt me. Because I'm gonna be right there. So all you can do is left to right, and the thumb.
Okay.
Okay? All right. So I got grease on that side, but this side I don't see any. So I don't think it really went in still. I'm gonna have to educate myself. So I set it up like this. It'll make it easy for Divine to make discs. And then we got these lugs for her to make more. She's only allowed to use the small chainsaw today. So she went in to put her pants, the chaps that we just received yesterday. And then Mighty scratched my face here. Huh. My beautiful face. Okay. Here, you can start filming my coaching. I'm gonna try to be nice.
You're gonna coach me here?
There's something you need to learn from here.
Like where? What?
Right here. My darling knows how to use a chainsaw. Kinda. Hey you, what are you up to, Mr. Raven? Huh? Yes. Yes. I didn't put your drops in yet today. Huh? When you come back in the house. Okay, let's go see inside here. Oh, Miley, you still here? Yes. Here, you have your own domain. Yeah. So it's 5.5. I'm gonna maybe add some wood. So I'm planning to do a 1-week welding seminar, not seminar, but like intense retreat in here. And there's enough wood, just not enough air. It's gonna get back warm in no time. Divine is having problem starting the chainsaw. Did you put it on start or is it still on off? Okay, it's on start. Let's go, my darling. You don't want to put your hand away I showed you?
No.
Why not?
I don't know. It doesn't work like that. There's something here that I should put like this.
So look. Oh my. She finally, I think it's getting there, you know. It's not piece of cake yet for her to get it started, but it's better than it was. Oh, it's so comfortable in the shop. I just want to hang out in there.